水手西街, Sailor Street, Rua do Bazarinho, Street of the Little Bazaars. Imagine these alleys blocking out the sunshine, once filled with a little bazaar. Rua do Bazarinho, Rua do Bazarinho, once filled with markets. Rua do Bazarinho, a little quiet corner of the city of Macau. Rua do Bazarinho, still with friendly residents. Oh, street of little bazaars. Oh, little slice of Macau. Oh, street of Macau.
Okay, this street right here is called Rua do Bazarinho. You can see Bazarinho right there. And this is, in Portuguese, in English, Bazarinho means like the little bazaar. So at one point this probably would have been kind of a shopping area. But we're going to show you what it looks like. We'll also kind of talk about some of these other streets like this one. But Bazarinho is going to be our focus one. It's George Chinnery right there. Anyways, let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. Okay, so this is Bazarinho, the little bazaar street. Right here, by the way, is George Chinnery. This is not going to be our target street this time. I have filmed it many other times though. But George Chinnery is named after a watercolorist. And George Chinnery used to live in this neighborhood, 1800s. So this would have been his kind of backyard. I think he lived on Ignacio Street, which would be like one block over. And then this is actually a different street altogether. It's called Alabardas. I think Alabardas is like a type of sword. So yeah, there's our street right there, Bazarinho. So this is the start of it. So now we're walking down the start of it. And then this whole area, San Lorenzo's church is to the left. And be like straight up that way. You can see the edge of it a little bit in the yellow right there. And then this street right here is George Chinnery, the watercolorist. So yeah, in the 1800s, he would have had like legions of people from Europe who would buy his watercolors. And he would also attract many people from Europe to come to Macau, and they would watch him watercolor, watch his art, and see how he would do that. And then they would also bring those back to Europe to sell. We're playing Chinese chess. We also have some shrines in here. Then this one goes up. It's like a little bit of a Hello. Hello. I'm very good. Yeah.
You like Macau?
I love Macau. Yeah.
Macau.
Yeah. The best city.
You where are coming?
From United States, American. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
English very good.
Very good. Thank you. So this street right here, Casa Forte, has this kind of cool building right here, kind of an older style. And this goes up to San Lorenzo. Maybe we'll try to walk up it a little bit. But this yellow building straight ahead, that's San Lorenzo. So this watercolorist, he would have been in this neighborhood, and he would have been painting a lot. And then so he has a lot of watercolors of San Lorenzo. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the little bazaar street. Oh wow, okay. This is part of the inside. Manu. Huh. Kind of has like nice. Okay. Let's say bye. Thank you.
You like Macau?
I love Macau.
Hey, you like to take Macau ID?
The
You
Macau
like
ID.
Macau people?
I do, yeah.
Oh,
I love
you
Macau.
live in Macau every day, no,
Yeah, I can go to China. Yeah.
okay.
So I'll visit, yeah. I have a YouTube channel and I'll film in China.
I know. Me have a see you on YouTube.
I go into
I
Zhuhai.
know.
Yeah.
You send YouTube. I see.
That's very good.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Welcome. Okay.
And this shop right here is repair.
This boss.
And that's the boss.
This that 5 years.
Oh, 35 years.
Yeah.
Here.
B.
You can repair electronics, refrigerator.
Yeah.
Very good.
This bossy.
That's the boss.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Doja. Bazarinho. So we're gonna go down a little bit further. Yeah, actually, yeah, I guess I have filmed in there before, so I think maybe I showed it to him. I've actually had interactions there before, and I think I might have showed them the video as well, I think. So I think they know, I think he knows that I live here. So we're gonna go a little bit further, and then Bazarinho is gonna end at this Mata Tigre. But I really like this area, and I especially like this little patio da illusion. It's one of my favorite spaces in Macau, actually, to be honest. That little space. I have filmed it other times, and I've given it its own title, and I love to walk in here, so we're gonna walk in here too. Yeah, I think someday this will be treasured, I hope. I think illusion refers to the opium trade. But anyways, our target street in this particular one was Bazarinho. So we'll just come out and then we're gonna end it. And this was, so we're just gonna end it right here. So this was Bazarinho. A little slice of Macau for you.
水手西街 Sailor Street, Rua do Bazarinho, Street of the Little Bazaar.